Hello and welcome to my channel. This is just a very short video. I am currently working on a longer one to show you the latest addition to our family. My husband inherited this fish tank, including these cute Cardinal Tetras, from his friends as they had to move. Aren't they adorable? They have such lovely colors. When they go to sleep, the colors change. Once the fish have gotten used to their new surroundings, he wants to add 5 cherry shrimp for cleaning the bottom, 5 pygmy corridoras and 4 extra Cardinal Tetras. I hope you like this short video. Once we have more additions, I will upload an update. Thanks for watching, until next time.